How to make Discord guild server. If you want to make a Discord guild server, first of all open up Discord. Make sure to log into your account. Now the first thing you want to do is create your own server. For that, click on this plus icon, then click on the create my own option. Now you can simply select any option from here. Now follow the on-screen prompts to create your own server. Once your server has been made, you can now create your guild. But remember that the feature of Guild is an experiment and only available to a select number of servers. So if your server is eligible, you will see an option to convert your server into Guild. Go ahead and tap on the check it out option to continue. Now you will have to choose the game you and your guild play together. Once you have made your guild, if you want to make changes, you want to click on the server settings, then click on the guild settings. Now from here you can adjust different things. You can also create your badge and profile from here. For that, click on the option of guild badge. From here you can create your guild tag and badge. Your guild tag can be maximum of 4 characters. However, it is not unique and multiple guilds can have the same tag. Once you select a badge, you can change the color to either one of the preset color schemes or use the color picker to customize. And in this way, you can make your Discord guild server. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.